Cards! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Met you on the springtime day. You were minding your life and I was minding my too. Lady, when you looked my way, I had a strange sensation, and darling, that's when I knew that it's said to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yeah, it's said to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Oh, I wake up in the night and I reach beside me, hoping you will be there. But it's time to find someone who believe in me when I said I always care. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yeah, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. So I live my life in a dream world for the rest of my days. Just you and me walking hand in hand in a wishful memory. Oh, I guess that's all that it would ever be. I wish I had a time machine. I could make myself go back until the day I was born. And I would live my life again and rearrange it so that I'll be yours from now on. Oh, sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yeah, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Farm tour tayo sa kapitbahay. Ganda talaga pag may no. Gusto ko yan. Lawak doon pa. Pupunta kami doon. Sila madam. Sinama ko. May sili, may repolyo, may lemon, di ba? Tapos sa loob, di ko alam kung anong bunga to. Grabe ang lawak ng bahay. Hindi siya orange, clementina daw. Daw ng sibuyas. Ayun ang orange. Ayun. Basta lakdal. Daw ng sibuyas.